right over here we have John Kennedy, also from the United States. Right over there we have Apostle Godfrey. Yes. Right over here we have right over there we have
Ronnie.
Ronnie, the man, the one and the only. Right over here we have Ophal. Right over there we have the lady, the singer. What's her name again?
Your name?
Mayogere kwa nani babige.
She's called Diana. She sings like a sparrow. Then my name is Ronnie, aka Dr. Digo, and we are from filming our song, and we are happy. Celebrate Uganda.
Yes, over here we have Apostle Godfrey. And right on his side we have Ophal, the one and only.
Yeah, reggae soldier of Akaida.
Yes.
Reggae.
And we are traveling back to Kampala. So
Right now we're from the source of the night, Ginger. Yeah.
Okay. So we're just watching a movie. What's the movie called, Kennedy?
Ten Commandments.
The Ten Commandments. You're watching Exodus as we are traveling back. Have a good time. Keep it locked. Don't change the dial.
Yeah, Victor.